Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby at the Edison Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami boat. This is what your final boat's going to look like, and these boats actually float on the water. Of course, they're made of paper, so eventually the water will soak into it and it won't float anymore. But while you have it, you can use it for other things. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to move my camera so you can see my work surface. All right, so first you're going to start off with any sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, any color, doesn't matter. So first fold is from left to right. Okay, fold the paper in half, like so. And when you do any paper folding, you always want to make a good crease in the paper so it stays together. All right, now you're going to turn the paper so that the crease is above you, facing away from you. Then you're going to make your second fold, and you're folding this in half. All right, now you're going to unfold it, and you're going to bring the creased part, the first corner down, and you're going to make a half fold like this, this side, and then you're going to bring down the other side so that you have your almost paper airplane shape going on here. Okay, now you're going to have two flaps at the bottom here, where the bottom of the paper is. So you're going to fold this first one up to the bottom of the other folds. Okay, like so. Good crease. Then you're going to fold it again. And this is going up over the triangular folds. Okay. And you have these two little flaps sticking up. Those just fold over like so. Lay it back down. Then your second fold flap on the bottom here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fold it up to the bottom of the triangle folds, crease it, and then you're going to flip the whole thing over like this. All right, and you're going to bring that fold you just did on the flap, you're going to bring it, unfold it, and then you're going to fold it up on this side. All right, and then you're going to fold it again up and over the little flaps. Like so. So it almost looks like a paper hat. All right, now you're going to open the whole thing up, like so. You're opening it up and you're folding it in on itself, like so. So you have a square. Okay. All right. So you're going to keep the open part, the open flat part toward you, and you're going to fold the first corner up about midway, like so. You're going to flip it over, and you're going to fold the other flap up midway, like so. And then you're going to open it up again, okay, and fold it in on itself. Okay, so you have a shape that looks like this. All right, keep the open part toward you, and you're going to fold this flap up almost to the top, so you just have a little bit of a triangle at the top like that. Turn it over, fold this flap up. There we go. Now, hold it like this, and you have these two little things right here, and you're going to open it. Set it down so you can smooth it out. And there's your boat. All right. So I hope you were able to follow that. You can always go back and watch again, but that's your origami paper boat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.